Today I'm going to show you how to do the purl stitch. So with the purl, you want to have your yarn in front of the needle. So coming to the front of the needle. And I wrap it around my left or right finger. I'm going to come in from behind the back of the stitch, wrap it around, go back through, and knock that off. So behind the back of the stitch, wrap it around, go back through, and knock this off. And that's the purl. So one more time, so you come in from behind the stitch, wrap it around, and then go back through and knock this off. So you go in there, like from behind, wrap it around, and then go back down through and knock that off. Knock it off. And that's your purl stitch. All right. Thank you for watching.